This is a fun little etude. Most of it is in first position, just briefly switches into second position, but most of it is in first, so not difficult at all. The trickiest part is maneuvering and changing between separate bows and legatos, and also off strings, piccatos. So most of it is going to be off string. Of course, when you play legato, you're on string, so things like that. Pay attention. It's really, really fun etude. I had a blast playing this. I enjoyed this, and I hope you do too. It almost feels like you're playing Celtic music because of the way it's written. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.